central station of Australia. .那我们现在要搭火车去雪梨机场，等一下要转机去布里斯本。
Hi, how you doing?
Hi, how? I'm good.
Where are you going to?
Brisbane.
Brisbane.
Yes.
$9.15.
Yes. Oh, and I wonder, I'm going to transfer to other Roma airport, but my luggage, I need to take it from Brisbane first, then I would need to put my luggage to transfer, or it's just directly?
We can do it directly, same booking.
Yes.
Otherwise, you can take it in and check in again.
Oh, maybe I can just do directly.
Directly, yes. Let me check the system. Okay for you?
So are you original from Australia?
No.
Where are you from?
I am Swiss.
Oh, that's cool.
You been there?
I haven't been to Europe before, but in the future I really want to travel there.
Yes, you should.
Good morning.
Backstairs, thanks.
Hey, thank you so much. Oh yeah,
Hi,
morning.
how are you going? Thank you. Just down the back on the right today.
Thank you so much.现在在搭澳洲的国内航班 Rex， 那我们等一下要去布里斯本。
My name is Justin, and it is my pleasure to be your cabin manager on board today's flight with our lovely flight attendants Anna, Maddie, and Dallas. Please now ensure you have taken your assigned seats and your seatbelt is firmly fastened. If you are seated in an emergency exit row or a row without a seat in front, all carry-on items must be stowed in the overhead lockers, keeping the floor area clear. If you require any assistance, or if there is anything we can do to make your flight more comfortable, please do not hesitate to ask one of our flight attendants as they make their way through the cabin. Thank you and welcome on board.
See you later.
Thank you so much.
Take care, sir.
Yesterday, but I
Australian flight VA609. Please proceed safely to the section B as boarding for this flight is closing.
Have a nice flight. Hey, where's your boarding pass for this one? This is the Sydney to Brisbane.
But how can I get another boarding pass? Because when I was in Sydney domestic airport, he said I just got.
Okay, if you stand to the side, I'll do you at the very end, and then I'll check these guys
Sure.
in. No worries.
Wow. 在要搭澳洲的小飞机飞到乡下，有点可怕的感觉。
Just wait there for a second, mate. Just gotta grab something. Thanks. Thank you. G'day, how are you? Going well, thanks. What's happening?
If an evacuation is required, all cabin baggage must remain on board the aircraft. The emergency lighting located in the cabin will help guide you to nearest exit.
我现在在罗马机场，在一个澳洲很乡下昆士兰的小镇。Wow! You've been to Taiwan?
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
amazing.
Yeah, no, we went over there for some manufacturing. We were getting the hiders made, air tools getting made over there in Taiwan.
Oh, this Taiwan is also a very small island.
Yeah, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, no, we went to
Can't
Taiwan.
imagine being
Yeah.
an Australian, been to Taiwan.
Yeah,
Wow.
no, been there, been to China, been to, I think, yes, Kuala Lumpur, Hong Kong.
Yeah. Wow,
the,
you travel to many places.
You're Northern Original? You want a beer or what?
Yeah, I can get it. Yes.
One beer?
Yeah, one beer. Any suggestions for young people? Like, any suggestions? What kind of suggestions will you give yourself maybe when you was in your 20s?
You got to take opportunities when they're there. Throughout your life, you'll get opportunities presented to you.
Put 100% of myself in all the opportunities.
And when an opportunity gets presented, don't try and force an opportunity. When opportunities present themselves, act up.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, and have a go. You know?
Yeah. Oh, don't force opportunity to come.
No, if you force something, you might want something.
You won't be happy.
Don't try and force something. If you try and force it, 9 times out of 10, it's not the right thing for you anyway. If when an opportunity presents itself and you're in a position that it works for you, seize those opportunities, take those opportunities.
Amazing suggestions. So you say your daughter just turned 18. So do you maybe hope she to maybe go to big city or different country to study?
No.
You want her to stay with you, right?
It's
Your daughter
easier to train with someone you know than someone you don't.
easier with daddy.
Yeah, no. She can, at the end of the day, she can do whatever she wants to do. She can go if she wants to go, but she can stay if she wants to stay.